Hey everybody, we're here in the Property Revolution office and we just wrapped up our SWOT analysis for the year. And I wanted to take a moment and share what that means and why we do it. So SWOT's actually an acronym. It's a really healthy exercise for any business to do. So we've got SWOT, and what this stands for is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. And so each year here at Property Revolution, we carve out one day where we do some prep time ahead of time. Everybody has a worksheet to work through and they bring their ideas and we talk through all the things we've done as a company for the year. We talk through the technology tools that we use. We talk about our sales process. We talk about pre-production and project planning, customer communication, production, follow-up, all those kinds of things. Everything in the company that we do, we break it down into little chunks and we ask ourselves, what are our strengths as a company? What are our weaknesses? What do we need to improve on? What are the opportunities for us to do better using maybe resources or something that we don't have or utilize to their potential? And what are the exterior threats that can affect us in what we're doing here? So yesterday we wrapped that up. We spent from 8:30 in the morning to about 5 o'clock in the evening. And we had a great time as a team talking through these things. I'm always super proud at the end of the day when we work through this because I see our team putting thought into it. They get an opportunity to speak and share their thoughts of what we could be doing better and come up with solutions as a team for the things that we're struggling with. And so if you're a business owner, I recommend doing this exercise, or even if you run an organization of any kind, it's really super valuable to kind of take a step back and say, hey, what are we doing well and what do we need to keep doing? And what needs to be done different, or what do we need to improve on? So hope this is helpful. This is something we do here as a company to make our customers' experience better and make our employees' lives better. So I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks.